Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we have 15 squared and I'm going to be showing you this simple trick on how to solve it in seconds. So now we have 1, we take 1 and square it. 1 squared is 1, you can write it here. Now we take the next number which is 5 and take the square of 5. 5 squared gives us 25, so we combine it with 1. What can we do next? We have 1 times 5 and times the exponent. So we can do 1 times 5, which is 5, times 2, which is the exponent, gives us 10. So we write 10, 1 0 and add a 0, it becomes 100 and sum it all up. 5 plus 0 gives us 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 2. So 15 squared is 225. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.